Hello everyone, my name is Rian. I'm Executive Recruitment Consultant from Monroe Consulting Group. I'm recruiting on behalf of one leading multinational company that supplies compressors and automated solutions to refrigerator and air conditioning industry. At the moment, our respected client is looking for a sales manager to manage its sales operation in Jakarta, Indonesia. The winning candidate preferably have engineering background in mechanical or refrigerator and air conditioning specialization, have at least 3 to 5 years experience in refrigerator and air conditioning industry, fluent in English, and have a good communication skills. If you think you are qualified for this job qualification, please do not hesitate to submit your profile and we can have further discussion. Thank you very much and have a good day.